Good morning, children. Yes, children. What is the lesson we are learning? Yes, the lesson we are learning is about village panchayat. Yes, in this lesson already we have learned about the public communities. Yes, sir. What is the Gram Sabha and how the how the panchayats were formed. What is the voter list? What do you mean by wards? Yes, a reservation. What do you mean by the reservation? Elections, and we have learned about the sarpanch, super sarpanch, secretary, executive officer. All these things we have learned. And now today we are going to learn very good thing. What is that? How the panchayat, this village panchayat, otherwise gram panchayat, is going to work. What the work they are going to do. What the sarpanch is going to do. All these things we are going to learn in this today's class. In this today's class, we are going to do. Yes, what does a panchayat do? What we are learning today? What does the panchayat do? What is the responsibility of the village panchayat? Yes, what is the responsibility, ma? Yes, we have seen that. They are going to look after the public amenities. They are going to look after the public amenities. What we have said public amenities? Like what? Like the maintenance of roads, street lights, not only that, looking after the pumps, water pumps, and what we'll say, public gardens, all that maintaining. Who is going to do? Panchayat, village panchayat, office village is going to look after. It is gram panchayat or village panchayat. And we have seen the last class. So what is a BPL list? That one also is very important, ma. BPL, below poverty line, that is also very important. So for the poor people, yes, they are providing the white ration cards. All that we have seen in the last class. So not only that, yes, what they are doing is that they are looking after the public amenities. Yes, like maintenance of the drainage also, drains, supply of drinking water also, ma. Supply of drinking water also, street lighting, cleaning the streets, roads cleaning. The main thing is what? Dumping yards. Yes, sir. Garbage collection that we will learn in the next lesson also. Yes, sir. Not only that, they are looking at the functioning of the government schools also in the villages. In the cities, we will have the government schools. No, that also they will look after. Anganwadis. They are going to look after the Anganwadis, women and child welfare programs. All these things are looked. All these are the responsibilities of the panchayat. All these are the responsibilities of the panchayats. All these are the responsibilities of the panchayats. Yes, they are not only that, they will plan, yes, sir, and execute development work such as minor irrigation, very important for the agriculture land. Yes, sir. They are, as it is the village, irrigation is very important. Irrigation is what? Water to the agriculture land. That is also they are going to look after. Yes, and watershed management program, land reforms, all this they are going to look after in the village. Yes, now you see in some states, government has given some powers, more powers they are given. Yes, like functions of the gram panchayat, but in Telangana it is not given. In Telangana have not given several important functions to them. It is not given several. Yes, sir. What are those? Some of them relate to control over markets and fairs, land improvement, minor forest produce, small scale industries, housing for weaker sections, electrification, programs for weaker sections, PHCs and dispensaries, etc. Okay, now all these things. Unless such functions are also given over the gram panchayats, if all these functions also given to the panchayats, but in our Telangana it is not given. But if it is given, what will happen? Yes, sir, they cannot really address the programs faced by the villages and effectively plan the development of the villages. Understood? These some are the functions. In some states it is given, but in our Telangana it is not given. If it is given, what will happen? The development of the village will be very good. Yes, and one more thing, a meeting of the panchayat is very needed. Gram Sabha, already we said, Gram Sabha is very needed. When the Gram Sabha is going to be had, yes, the Gram Sabha, yes, a Gram Sabha should be there. Yes, every 1 month 2 months, yes, like that they are going to have the Gram Sabha. When they are going to have the Gram Sabha meeting, when all the villagers, all the voters will attend it only. All the voters should attend the meeting. At least, what they are saying, yes, sir, they have to attend 1/3 or 2/3 of the people. Yes, sir. A meeting of the panchayat takes place every month. For each meeting, at least half of the members of the panchayat should present. Yes, sir. Otherwise the meeting will have to be cancelled. The meeting is going to be cancelled. The meeting usually begins by reading out the report of the last meeting. What it is called? Minutes of the last meeting. Yes, sir. Who will address the meeting? Every time Sarpanch is only going to address. And when he address, he will read. Yes, sir. What happened in the last month? He is going to read. That is called as, remember, you will choose the correct answer. That is called as minutes. What it is called as? Minutes of the last meeting. It is called as the last. Then the Sarpanch has to report about all the work done. Yes, sir. The Sarpanch is going to, yes, sir. The Sarpanch has to report about all the work done during the previous month and how much money was spent on them. In case the members feel that some work was not done properly, they can discuss it. Yes, ma'am. So, properly done or not, everything the Sarpanch is going to look after. In the case members feel that some work not properly done, they can discuss it. The ward members can also propose new work for the wards to inquire about non-completion of approved work. All these are the responsibilities. The village panchayat, the Sarpanch is going to look after. Ward members also going to look after. Every year, what will happen? Before the month of April, proposal from different wards. Village means what we said, different wards will be there. A village means different wards will be there. So every month of the April, yes, sir, proposals from different wards are discussed and a budget is prepared. What do you mean by budget? Money. How much money should be spent? How much money should be collected as a tax? Everything should be done. Prepared for them. The Sarpanch and the executive officer we have seen. Secretary, executive officer. Yes, a check if funds are available for these proposals or not. Understand, ma? Now, ward is there. Our ward is there. Our Mirpet ward is there. In the Mirpet ward, our drainage system is not proper. New drainage system they wanted to lay. Then for that it may be cost 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs. Then this Sarpanch and executive officer will check it whether they had that much amount or not. Yes, sir, our ward, Mirpet ward, they said before the Sarpanch in the meeting, yes, our drainage system was not good, have a very good another new drainage system. Then they are going to check all these things. Yes, sir. The Sarpanch and the executive officer check if funds are available for this proposal. After this, the annual plan also they are going to do, ma'am. Yes, sir, the annual plan of the panchayat is prepared and discussed in the Gram Sabha and finalized after incorporating their suggestions. Yes, annual budget for this year 2021. What we have to do? Yes, sir. In our village, the 18 wards are there. In 18 wards, where it is, which ward is not good? In their drainage system is not good. Street lights are not proper. So how much money? Everything they are going to check it. Everything they are going to check it. All the things they are going to see. And this finalized plan is submitted to whom? Mandal and Jilla Parishad. Next we are going to learn what is Mandal and Jilla Parishad. For approval and sanction of funds. After the funds are received, the Sarpanch starts the work. We are going to see what are the funds. Funds means nothing but the money they are getting, the income they are getting. It is often seen that in many panchayats, the Sarpanch prepare plans on their own and get them approved without much discussion. So in some places it is there. Sarpanch, what he will do? He himself will do all the work. Then the funds allocated for the work may be misappropriated. Okay, now the surplus, what you will do? You won't take the suggestions of the any ward members. Actually, you have to take the suggestions of the ward members, everything. But what he will do? He will do himself. And what the money, the fund he is getting, he may be misuse it. He may misuse also. Yes. As very few people will know about the plan, budget and actual work done. For this reason, it is necessary that all the panchayat members of the panchayat participate in the planning and oversee the implementation of the program. For this only what will happen? All the voters, all the members should attend the meeting. What the sarpanch is doing, what the work is doing, everything we have to see. In our colony also, when the meeting is there, so we have to attend, we have to know what our president, what our sarpanch is doing, everything we have to know it. Okay ma, that is about the responsibility of the panchayat. That is about the responsibility of the panchayat. Next we are going to see funds for the work of the gram panchayat. How they are getting the gram panchayat, how they are getting the money, how they are getting the money. Yes, actually they will get the money on collecting the small minor taxes. They will get the money by collecting minor taxes. On what they will collect the tax? They will collect the tax on house tax. They will collect which tax? House tax and land cess. Land cess. On this work they are going to collect the tax. They get how much money? 1/3 of their income from their sources. Mainly they will get 1/3 from this taxes only. They will get money from this taxes only. Yes, but for a bulk of their resources they depend upon the grants from the state and central government. We said no, but this tax they are getting only 1/3. It is not sufficient. So on whom they will depend? This village panchayat to do the work. To do the work, they will depend on state government, otherwise central government. They will depend upon state government, otherwise central government to have the money. Funds means nothing but money. Funds means what? Nothing but money. Yes, sir. From where they will get the money? From collecting the taxes. Very little tax. But that is not sufficient. So they are going to ask the state government or central government to provide the money to do that work. To do that, our street lights are spoiled, lights are not coming. To do that work, yes, sir, this tax what we collected is not sufficient. So our governments are going to provide. Okay then, for this so many examples will be there. You can go ask your parents how the state government and central government are helping the village people. All that you can know. Yes. Government which is meant for the implementation of specific programs. Some funds are made by Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Some funds are given by MG Mahatma Gandhi NREGA. Yes, sir. Some are given by what? Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. From the experience of the Gram Panchayat, it emerges that these funds are far from sufficient for any substantial development of the villages. Panchayats have very little funds for the work they themselves plan and decide upon. So the money they are getting is not at all sufficient for them. So what the panchayat will do? They will plan the work themselves and they will decide upon what to do also. Okay ma'am? Yes, that is about how the work they are going to do and how the money they are going to get. How the money they are getting. How the money they are getting. That is. Yes sir. They are getting from the tax, they are getting from here, they are getting from the central government and they are getting from the state government also. Then already we said, yes sir, whatever they are doing the work, whatever the work they are doing, whatever the responsibility the sarpanch is taking, that is seen by whom? Mandal Parshad and Jilla Parshad. What do you, new word you came now? What do you mean by Mandal Parshad and Jilla Parshad? Mandal, yes. Yes, a Gram Panchayat. Now, in a Gram Panchayat, 20 gram village, this one are there, about 20 Gram Panchayats come under Parishads. Now, that means 20 villages. 20 villages will form the Mandal Parishad. Okay, ma. First, what we said, state is divided into districts. District is divided into villages and cities, we said. Now what is saying? 20 villages. 20 villages form into Mandal Parishad. So 20 villages will form into Mandal Parishad. Okay, now understood ma? District is different now. Yes sir. Mandal is different. Mandal means what? 20 or more than 20 or less than 20. They will form into a 20 villages will form into a Mandal Parishad. Remember, these are formed into a Mandal Parishad. Yes, all the Mandal Parishads in the district come under again Jilla Parishad. All this will come under what? Jilla Parishad. All this will come under Jilla Parishad. Understanding ma? Yes, sir. School, classes, sections, all like that only. Yes, sir. School, classes, sections will be there, no? Like that only. Yes, sir. State, district, villages, wards. Then this villages, Mandal Parishad, and this Mandal Parishads again Jilla Parishads. Understanding? Mandal Parishad. All these Mandal Parishads comes under what? Jilla Parishad. Why all this division is done? Why? Because to have the good administration. To have a good administration. If it is small, we can look after very carefully. Because of that only. If 40 members are there in the class, no. Yes, how many will take? We will make it into 2 sections. Yes, sir. One section, A section, B section. 20 members in A section, 20 members in B section. So that we can look after very well. Like that only. A country divided into states, districts, villages, cities, wards, Mandal Parishad, all that we have made. If you go to higher classes, you will learn more about them. But this you have to remember. The basic you have to remember. Then you can understand the next thing. Yes. The members of the Mandal Parishad territorial constituencies, MPTs. What they are called? MPTs. MPTs. That means Mandal Parishad territorial constituencies. Yes, sir. What it is? Just remember them. Mandal Parishad territorial constituencies. Then are elected directly by the villages. For this also elections will be there. The village people are going to elect them. Then Jilla Parishad members are too similarly elected. Jilla Parishad members also similarly elected. Yes, sir. And Jilla Parishad and Mandal Parishad coordinate the activities of the village. These both of them will look after the village panchayat. And then the district and the mandal approve their plans and coordinate the allocation of the funds. Everything, the funds given, the work given, everything they are going to look after. Okay, ma'am? Understood? This is about as a village, mandal parishad, jilla parishad, wards, everything kept in the mind. Now, next we are going to see as a any village, as a if we said no, the sarpanch is going to look after his views, his ideas, his plans. What he will do? He will make his village a number 1 village. He will make it in a village a number 1 village. Like that, some villages are there. Those who got the Puraskar also, awards also. That villages. What are those villages in our Telangana? We are going to learn. What are those? If you see here, Jangamma of Hajipalli. Jangamma of Hajipalli. You can see the picture also here. Here you can see the picture. There's a Gram Panchayat meeting. You can see the picture of Gram Panchayat meeting. Here you can see the Jangamma of the village Hajipalli. She got the Puraskar. From who? From Pratibha Patil. That time President, she got the Puraskar, Nirmal Puraskar from the Pratibha Patil Pratibha Patil, the President of India. Hajipalli is a small village in Mahbub Nagar district. Jangamma, the Sarpanch. Who is she? Jangamma is the Sarpanch. Let the Panchayat to build several concrete roads. What she has made in our village? She made the concrete roads. And underground drain system. That time it was not there. She made it. Not only that, she built latrines also. In that village, no latrines were there. So she built the latrines in every house. Not only that, schools, Anganwadi and Gram Panchayat also. She made all this. The Panchayat under her leadership built water storage tanks also. So many things she has done, that Sarpanch. Yes, sir. And apart from this underground system, like the city, and panchayat has also ensured the eligible benefits from the schemes. So all the benefits from the scheme she taken and intended for them, and recognition of efforts. Ajbali received Shubham Award. Yes, what award they have received? Shubham Award. What award? Shubham Award in November 2008 from the state government, and Nirmala Grama Puraskar in December 2008 from Mrs. Pratibha Patil, the President of India. Two Puraskars she got. One is Shubham and one is Nirmala Grama Puraskar. That is only this one village only, not like that. Many villages are there, those who got more. Yes, sir, there are many villages who are succeeded involving the people in participatory development programs through the Gram Sabha. When you see in Telangana, one of the village, Gangadevipalli of Warangal district, Ramachandrapuram of Karimnagar district, and Ankapur of Nizama district are some of the successful stories. And one more is there, Haiware Bazaar of Ahmednagar in Maharashtra also is a good example of receiving this. And now we are going to see one of the village, that is Gangadevipalli Panchayat. Gangadevipalli village, what they have done through the Gram Sabhas, they have made 18 committees. What is it? Gangadevipalli Panchayat. What is that Panchayat? Ganga Devi Palli Panchayat. Gangadevipalli Panchayat. Yes. Through the Gram Sabha, 18 different committees were formed. This Panchayat, how many committees they formed? 18 different committees were formed. For what? For drinking water committee. One is like drinking water committee, sanitation committee, health committee, communication committee. All these committees are providing good service to the villages. These villages had, because of this, what they had, what they got? They got 100% enrollment in school. All the village children, yes, got enrollment, means took admission in the school. Everyone are going to the school. 100% literacy. Everyone are educated. No illiteracy. Everyone are educated. Supply of protected drinking water to all the families. Every family, every house is getting drinking water. Observance of family planning by all the eligible couples. Vaccination of all the children. 100% families enrolled. Bank saving schemes. SIMA, so many things. Total sanitation is there in the village. Yes, sir. Complete ban of the consumption of liquor. Not at all. So every villager would definitely find a role at least one of the 18 communities. Any issue of development of the village has to be necessarily discussed in the Gram Sabha. All are bound to resolutions of the Gram Sabha. You can see here, Gram Sabha meeting. How? Like this, the Gangadevipalli village also succeeded. Very nice. Yes or no, ma? Very good. Like this, yes. So, go through this lesson very well. With this, we have completed our village panchayat lesson. Go through the lesson very well. Go through these questions. So, some small questions are given. Go read the lesson. Go through the videos. Yes, go through the videos. If you get the doubts, ask me in the Zoom class. Okay, ma, all these things, go through them. Go through. Yes, listen the videos. Watch the videos carefully. Yes, children, we have completed now village panchayat. Next lesson we are going to learn in the next class. New lesson. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.